Forward collision avoidance assist is designed to help detect and monitor the vehicle ahead as well as cyclists or pedestrians in the roadway. The feature does this by utilizing radar sensors in the front bumper as well as a windshield camera located near the rear view mirror. If a possible collision situation is detected, the system warns the driver that a collision is imminent with a collision warning message and an audible warning. If necessary, the system will apply the brakes and display the emergency braking message to reduce the impact severity or, if possible, prevent the collision. Please be aware that this may occur with strong braking power. Forward collision avoidance assist can also be of benefit at junctions, such as making a left-hand turn. In this example, the oncoming vehicle doesn't notice the stop line. The combination of the left-hand turn signal and the sensors detecting a possible impact allows the system to apply emergency braking to attempt to avoid a collision. This function is called junction turning. There is an additional layer of protection called junction crossing that attempts to avoid collisions with oncoming vehicles on the left or right side when crossing an intersection. Forward safety features can be enabled and disabled under the driving safety menu on your vehicle setup screen. When the feature is off, the warning light on the instrument cluster will be illuminated. Please note, when the vehicle is restarted, forward collision avoidance assist will always be turned on. Be aware that heavy weather or debris on the detecting sensors can prevent the feature from operating properly. It is always the driver's responsibility to be aware of their surroundings and steer the vehicle safely. For more information on this and many other available features, please refer to your Hyundai Owner's Manual.